Hey everyone. So I had some questions about the ConAir Man trimming set that I got as a complimentary test from ConAir Man and Influenster. Um, Great product, nice and sturdy. That's the thing that I like the most about it. I also like that it's wired. It's not battery powered. So like I don't know if you've had an experience with a trimmer as you're shaving or anything like that. It just runs out of power halfway through, or it isn't as powerful. So that's kind of the thing that I like the most is that it's wired like this, and then also you can adjust. This is the question I got a lot: is what is this for? This just the length of the blade. You can see it moving a little bit in there. So if you want a close shave, if you want something that's a little bit further away, you can do it. Other questions I was asked was, can you use this on yourself, or do you need someone else to do it for you? Yes, sure, but be careful, of course. You just snap on one of these guards in there, adjust the blade, and then you can just clean yourself up a little bit. It's nice and it works pretty easily. If you need a good trim, if you want it a little bit more in depth, then obviously get some help. And then also, people also ask what did it come with. It comes with a little brush, so you can clean the head, which I've done. A little teeny bottle of lube to lubricate the blades, and then this is the only downside for me: a really cheap pair of scissors. So that's my only thing. And then also got a trimmer here for ear and nose. This is separate. In case you don't know how it works, this is literally, you know. My only downside with any of these, and it's not anything against Conair Man, is they're just so noisy. And if you're using it for your ears and you're cleaning around your ears, it's just so noisy, and I'm really kind of sensitive to that anyway. So that does bother me. But overall, it works really well. I've had a couple of these, and this one's probably one of the better ones I've used. So anyway, that's about it. If you have any more questions, let me know. It's a great product. Check it out.